Welcome back to the fourth episode of our BMW K1100RS caferacer build. Today we will continue work on the rear end, install the swing arm, and we've recently received a nice delivery from TFX, so we'll also be installing the shock. So let's get going because there's only 4 days left till the bike check. That's it for this episode. We didn't manage to put on the wheels because we were missing some bolts, so we'll do this next episode together with the exhaust and the first pieces of paint. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and if you like the video make sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next episode.